Data Dumpy.
Ever wondered what the future of robotics looks like? What if I told you it's dead, and I mean that literally? Scientists are now turning corpses, yes, once living biological bodies, into functional robotic systems. Not science fiction, not horror, real. This isn't some movie about zombie cyborgs. This is a field called Necrobotics, and it's very, very real. And it might just change how we think about life, death, and machines. Necrobotics is a field that uses dead organisms, particularly their biological structures, as mechanical components in robotic systems. The term came to light when researchers at Rice University published a study using dead spiders as robotic grippers. Why spiders? Because spiders don't have muscles in their legs. They use hydraulic pressure. When they die, their legs curl inward. But with a tiny pump, scientists could re-extend the legs and control them. Just like that, they created a functional robotic arm from a dead spider. It's efficient, it's biocompatible, and it's incredibly eerie. In mechanical engineering, traditional robotic grippers are complex. Wires, motors, actuators, sensors, and lots of energy. But nature already solved those problems. A spider's legs are lightweight, pre-built for grasping, and function on hydraulics. The researchers connected a tiny syringe to the spider's body, injected air, and suddenly, the dead spider could grip small objects, delicately. Think surgical tools. Micro-manipulation, field robotics. Why 3D print a claw when nature already built one? But hold on. Let's talk ethics. Using animals is one thing, but what about human remains? Could necrobotics evolve into post-mortem human augmentation? Would people donate their bodies, not to science, but to industry? Imagine a loved one's hands being used in a lab, or a battlefield. Creepy, sure, but organ donation was once controversial too. As tech evolves, so does society's comfort zone, and necrobotics might be next in line. And while that might sound like the beginning of a horror film, it might also be the start of a new design revolution. One where death isn't the end of usefulness, but a different kind of beginning. In a world obsessed with innovation, even the dead are getting upgraded. Subscribe to Data Dumpy if you want more stories from the strange edge of science, tech, and everything in between. And next time you step on a spider, remember, it might be part of a robot tomorrow.